Hello, YouTube family. It is Marjorie Cook, and I am back with another DIY project. This is a fun one, okay? It's so much fun that I went to the beach. I'm relaxing, surf, the waves, all that beautiful sunshine. Yeah, no, I'm not at the beach. I am in my kitchen, but that's okay because we're going to make these beautiful wall sconces today. Now, I found the back of the sconces on the side of the road for free, abandoned. They are drawer fronts. They came off of somebody's kitchen drawers or a dresser or something, and they just threw them to the curb, and I grabbed them. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I did was clean the wood. I didn't paint it. I decided I wanted to leave it natural and distressed. So I didn't stain it. I didn't sand it. I just cleaned it off really good. And I am using these wire trash cans from the Dollar Tree. And what I did was I sliced it down the side long ways and made two sconces out of one trash can. You can get straight lines by just following the diamonds that the wires naturally form. It was a little wide, so I kind of squished it down until it fit. And then I'm also using this twine-covered wire that I got at the Dollar Tree to help adhere it and attach it to my drawer face. I'm just measuring out. I went 3 times the width, so I knew I'd have enough wire. A little bit of hot glue on the corners just to kind of hold it in place to get started. And then I used one of the drawer pulls as a base for the bottom. And I will put some hot glue and one of the tumbling tower blocks to hold it into place on that. It looks like a tumbling tower block, doesn't it? The little handle. So I went ahead and attached a tumbling tower block on the bottom of the sconce to that handle. It is really late here, guys. I am tuckered and I am probably not making a whole lot of sense. So just watch the video. Yeah, ignore me. So here we go. I'm gonna loop the wire through the front. And I realized after the fact that I really didn't need to do that. I could have just gone straight through and fastened it just as well. It didn't really need to go all the way around the front. So you can save yourself some wire and learn from my mistake and just take it through the holes of the basket closest to the board and go straight back. Now here's where it gets a little tricky. You're going to want to use a tool to get that wire just as tight as you can. And this is a really, really fast project. Like, I think I have this on double time speed, but it's really pretty close to normal speed because, I mean, it literally took me 15 minutes start to finish to make 2 of these guys. So I'm just tucking my excess wire in the back there. I got it really tight because I used those jewelry cutters and got it so tight I couldn't even fit the wire through the back. That is good and snug. It's not going anywhere. Now that's not very attractive yet, so what we're gonna do is take some canvas, or not canvas, but burlap ribbon. I used the wired burlap ribbon to line out the front. See, this is where I learned. I was like, hey, I can just go straight through right there where it meets the... Yeah, I was a wizard that day, wasn't I? I was all trying to eyeball it through, and I was like, just reach inside and guide it. It's open on one end. Oh my heaven. I was exhausted. Twist it down really good. Get it as tight as you can. That one had a rest, like gravity was on my side on that one, so I didn't worry about getting it as tight as the top one. So here's where our burlap ribbon's gonna come in. And I'm just going to, and this was used. I'm repurposing this from another project. And so it was torn up at the top. And I just trimmed that off. Snip, snip. All better. And then I did add hot glue all the way around the edge, I think. Did I do that? I did. All the way around the edge. I was just going to dot it in place, but the way that it was falling didn't look quite right. So I don't do the other edge. I just kind of let it fall, but I do the top edge 100% coverage. I think this was the very first project that I did with my new cordless glue gun. I got that one, and I got the black and green one from Surebonder. And I like them both. They do different things. Like this little blue one stays hot for a good 15-20 minutes between chargings. So I can take it around the house and do projects in other rooms. And the Surebonder is only good for 2 minutes. It has to be put back on its base, so it's great for just right at my desk. I don't think I'd actually opened the Surebonder yet. These are the little Dollar Tree wooden laser cutouts. They are so cute. I'm actually going to make a wind chime out of them and some bamboo pieces that I disassembled from a Dollar General item I got last summer. Super cute. We're pretty much done. I thought I cut this out when I was like, oh, I should play the Jeopardy theme or something. Yeah, we're going to wrap up some faux lavender and just wrap it in burlap. And this is just for, illustration purposes. I actually make the bundle quite pretty for the final project. We're just going to stick it in there like so. And it's a really simple project for, like, you can change the flowers out for the season. You can put other things besides flowers in there. You can put fruit, I guess, like faux fruit. I wouldn't put real fruit. I mean, it's not super durable, and it's not going to carry a lot of weight. But yeah, you can put all kinds of cute stuff in there. And there she is. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for a few minutes. I know that you're probably really busy, so thank you, thank you. Here is the final product. There are 2 of them hanging in my little pantry room. I was thinking also Christmas time, I can't wait. I'm going to fill them with little tiny wrapped presents. I think that will be adorable, maybe with some poinsettia coming out of the top. As for the wood in the back, you can use any kind of plank wood that you might have on hand. You can buy a new piece of wood and stain it. You could paint it. You can do all sorts of things to fit it to your decor. And if you liked the content of this video, and if you would like to see more, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. It lets YouTube know that I'm doing something kind of right. See you soon.